VST here, Tech. Welcome back on the channel. This is the Pixel 6, which by the way is a very nice phone, and you can check my unboxing here. You can also check my, I would say, very unique Pixel 6 camera and photo and video test. But you're here for something else. Besides this being a very great and nice phone, I'll probably also do a review in the near future. It is also a very much slippery phone. You can just see also it's a magnet for fingerprints. This doesn't really bother me or concern me, but the slippery part is very annoying. So I ordered 3 cases from China, here, and here. But they are going to arrive next year in January, and I'm not sure if this phone would have survived. So this here is gonna be the review for the Spigen armored case. So this here is the case, this is the phone, guys, and I'm gonna do here in real time. In the box and blah blah blah. Something else in the package? No. Alright, here Pixel 6 rugged armor, Spigen, something you want. Okay, now guys, is this something we want? Not sure, but hopefully we're gonna be able to sell after this review for your Pixel 6 rugged armor. Here we have matte black, made in South Korea. You have the Spigen.com here. So yeah, that's the real thing. I bought it for 15 euro from somebody who bought it for 16 euro out of Amazon, but it should be a very much authentic product. So let's just open it, test it, and I'll guys give you my review on this case. So let's try to open it. Okay, so here we have something to pull hard. It's a brand new product, guys. Okay, nothing more. This now is useless. And okay, guys, wow. Oh wow, this is now the case. And of course they will try to sell you more stuff. What is this here? Future of charging, gallium nitride, Spigen ArcStation Pro gun, whatever bullshit. Yeah, we don't really care because we know this thing cannot really charge so quick, so I don't think that it's gonna matter. But okay, we are here for this, and I can tell you guys, I've just seen the inside right now. Here we have air cushion technology. See here, we also have this Spigen trademark, Spigen Inc., Irvine, California, made in South Korea. And here we have, I think, something in Latin. It does look and feel, by the way, quite nice in the hand. We have here the carrots for the camera, we have the carrots for the speakers and the USB-C. Alright, now let's just first see, wow, here guys, we have the buttons. And we have this very nice effect, which I think is also seen here and here. Okay, so you can just see here, it's kind of ripped. And now the moment of truth, because we know we are all waiting for me to just bring it up the other side. Okay, up the other side. Wow, stunning, guys. One more time, here we have the Spigen logo, and here we have see, no fingerprints, guys. That's a miracle. See here, right here I can just play CSI all day long, but here, right, no chance for fingerprints. And wow, see how huge this bump is here, guys. Of course it needs to accommodate the bump on the phone here. Okay, so then here we have an opening for the microphone. I can tell you guys, it does feel and look quite nice. Let's see how much this beauty will weigh. Put it in here. 38 grams. Oh gosh, right. The phone alone being 206. Yeah, you get my point. Alright. 38 grams for sure, so yeah. Okay, if you are preferring something lighter, then that's not your case, but this case, guys, looks stunning. I like design, and here, guys, they put here some carbon fiber design. I think this looks quite cool. And now the moment of truth, guys. I'm gonna put the case here, alright, and I'm gonna put the phone inside the case. Oh, it has a tough fit. Okay, wow. Alright, you know, I was not really happy when I bought this case, and actually this is why I went to AliExpress to buy just some thinner cases, but this is not so thick, by the way. And yeah, it just feels a bit more sturdy. I like the way it feels in the hand. Take a look here at this lip. It does provide protection, right? So if you put the phone here like this, it's not going to be on the screen. And guys, take again a look here. Your camera is fully protected. When you put your phone like this, see, absolutely stable, guys. No wobbling around. Oh my god, my cat. Oh my god, my cat. No wobbling around, nothing. You know, it just sits very tight. Okay, see here, this is an enormous piece of plastic, but it for sure protects the camera. And I think the design is quite unique because you see here a big lip here, and it has these nice elements. So we have carbon here, we have this flat matte black surface, no fingerprints at all. Then we have here this kind of like grill design. Then we have these edges which have something glossy. Here again something glossy, and then here we have this carbon footprint like design, which is not that bad. And then okay, here we have the opening for the speakers, the USB-C, again a speaker. Here we have the opening for the microphone. And now guys, let's try to do a test on the buttons. Okay, let's just see how the buttons will click. Okay, so volume up. Oh, let me do this on the mic. Quite nice. Volume down. Very nice and clicky. And now power off, power on. Okay, no, you know, job done, guys. Overall, I think this case is not so bad. I'm not a big fan of the rugged armor cases because usually they add a lot of bulk. But it is again a very slippery phone, and if you want to enjoy your Pixel 6 or 6 Pro for a bit longer, then it's not a bad idea to protect it. Alright, you still get this fancy bumper here from the back, so definitely your friends can tell you have a Pixel phone, Pixel 6, when you put it somewhere on the table. I think this is very noticeable. The design, the way they did it here with this slip and bending over the case, I think is very unique. It has nice design elements like the logo, the carbon footprint here, the matte black surface which doesn't really take any fingerprints, and then it has also, I think, these design elements, glossy elements, right? And then we have also these like grill elements here. So overall, I'll give this case 8 out of 10, guys. Yeah, if I'm just still using the Pixel in the next months, I'm gonna tell you if this case failed me or not, but I have a very good feeling. I hope you have liked this video, guys. If you like this case, I'm gonna put a link down below where you can buy this case. Again, if you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of the next videos. And with that said, VST over and bye.